Hi, I'm Lacy and I'm the executive chef at Pacific Coast Fruit Company, and today in the kitchen we will be discussing kumquats. Winter is here and so are kumquats. Kumquats have become one of my favorite fruits, and I think that once you try them, you'll see that they are amazing. You can actually eat the peel. Once you bring kumquats in, you can store them in the walk-in for up to 2 weeks. Sometimes they'll come in and you'll see they have a little bit of green coloring on them. Just put them on the countertop for a couple of days, they'll ripen up. There's a ton of things you can do with kumquats. You can candy them, use them in marmalades, substitute them for anything you would, like an orange. Today, because kumquats are native to China, I was gonna do a little bit of Asian fusion, and I'm gonna make a kumquat curry. So for my kumquat curry, I'm going to use butter, curry powder, cilantro, golden raisins, heavy cream, some chicken stocks, of course my beautiful kumquats, and some shrimp. A little bit of cilantro. And there you have my kumquat curry. So I'm here today with Barbara BRANDT, who is in our accounting department. Welcome.
Thank you.
So Barbara, tell me a little bit about what you do in accounting.
Well, I've been with Pacific Coast Fruit for almost 15 years. I've recently moved into accounting, and I approve accounts payables on product that we receive for the company.
Wow, that's a pretty important job.
It's fun.
Do you like curry?
I love curry.
Okay, so I brought you here to see what you think of my kumquat curry. Here's a spoon.
Thank you.
Do you want to give it a try?
Absolutely.
What do you think?
I'm gonna need this recipe.
Okay, I'll make sure to get it for you.
Most definitely.
All right.
Very good.
Thanks for coming in.
Thank you so much.